Every single hike used to leave me drained, exhausted and angry until I applied these 6 pro hacks. I used to dread long hikes, my legs would give out, my backpack felt like a ton of bricks and I'd run out of energy about halfway through. Then I discovered these 6 simple habits that completely changed the game, making backpacking easier, safer and way more enjoyable. So here's what works. Number 1, stay hydrated before and during the hike. Hydration is the foundation of a good hike, so you want to drink at least 1 litre of water before you even set off to give your body that head start. Then just sip small amounts consistently along the trail. So don't wait till you're thirsty, just sip along the way. A filter bottle makes it easy to refill safely, and then you can also add in electrolytes on the longer hikes which replace what you lose through sweat. Staying hydrated prevents fatigue, cramps, dizziness and keeps your energy levels steady all day. Number 2, eat high carb snacks at the right time. Your fuel is just as important as your water. The key is not just eat, but eat at the right time. High carb snack 30 to 45 minutes before a steep climb. It gives your body quick energy, while slower digesting carbs keep you strong. Quick carbs fuel tough climbs, sustained snacks keep your energy steady, and combining both throughout your hike prevents crashes and keeping the muscles firing efficiently. Number 3, use trekking poles efficiently. Poles aren't just for balance, they're to reduce stress on the knees, protect your joints on descents and let your arms share the workload. Plant them slightly ahead, push down, let your upper body help you drive up the hill over miles, and it saves energy. Makes a huge difference in how fresh you feel. Number 4, maintain steady controlled pace. One of the biggest mistakes hikers make is starting too fast. Steady controlled pace conserves energy, keeps your breathing under control and helps your body adjust to the terrain. Think of hiking like a marathon, not a sprint. Consistency is what gets you to the end comfortably. Number 5, train specifically for hiking, physically and mentally. Trail feels much easier when you're prepared for it. General fitness helps, but hiking specific training makes the biggest difference. So you've got physical training, stuff like weighted pack walks, 5 to 10 kg, 30 to 60 minutes, hill repeats or stair climbs, step ups and lunges for uphill power. But do not forget the core exercises like planks, side planks, farmers carries. You've also got mental training, visualization of tough climbs. You can do things like breathing drills, the box breathing, inhale 4, hold 4, exhale 4, increases your breathing capacity. Give yourself mini checkpoint goals in the hike to stay motivated. You can also do practice hike drills, local hills or stairs in your local park, weekend mini hikes, gradually increasing distance and weight. This is going to increase your performance and your endurance levels. So this combination of physical prep and mental focus and real world practice makes you trail ready. When your body and mind are conditioned, backpacking stops being a struggle and starts being something you actually look forward to. And finally, number 6, take micro breaks and plan energy zones. Short intentional breaks keep your energy consistent every 30 to 45 minutes. Just take a 5-minute mini break, sip some water, have a stretch or a small snack. For longer breaks like lunch or you need a proper meal, aiming for 10 to 15, even 20 minutes. It's important. You've got to stay warm because the last thing you want is to cool down and start feeling tired and stiff. So put a hat on, put some gloves on, job's good. So by breaking your hike into energy zones, this way it helps prevent burnout, it helps you recover properly and keeps you moving efficiently without losing momentum or energy. So incorporating these habits completely changed the game for me. My hikes feel easier, I recover faster, and I actually enjoy the journey instead of dreading it. Try them out on your next trip, see the difference. And if you found this to be helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and let me know which habit was the biggest impact on your hikes.